I needed a microphone for my recording so things can come out a little clearer and louder. And I wanted to give this a try because I heard so much about it. The VXR 10, and it's a universal microphone, and you can hook it up. It's for creators, and it's really it talks a lot about it. I hear a lot about it, so it's pretty popular. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It comes well packaged, as you see, and I'm going to see what all the fuss is all about. Take it out the package like so, and it comes out the package looking like that. And you have your microphone that is covered in here. Your microphone, and it has your little soundproof. It protects it from when you're outside and you have all the wind blowing. This is supposed to be the protection, so it won't give you all that wind noise that sometimes you hear from people when they're outside. Well, this is supposed to protect it, and it comes already with it. All the earphone microphones don't come with it, so this already comes with it. And then it gives me all the gadgets, because this can hook up to like your cell phone, your camera, so your iPad. So, and it lets you know, because it comes with what comes in the box is the microphone, the fairy, and this, like I said, the windscreen, the shockproof mount, this is what these are, the shockproof, the mount, soft case. So, and then it comes with your cords, the different cable cords. And then it comes with also a little bag where you can put everything in. So that is really good. And then you also have, it gives you little courses that if you want to take it, like courses for vlogging, filmmaking, live streaming, podcasting, etc. So it gives you that information, and of course your instructions, so you will be able to hook it up with no problems, as they say. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and install this and see what it's all about. So it comes with everything, so you can get started right away into your vlogging, all of your or your podcasting, whatever you want to do. But this is what I needed, a microphone. So, and again, it is the VXR 10 universal quarter microphone, and it's battery free, so universal compatibility, max noise reduction, small yet powerful. So this is something I have been hearing about. I hear about it a lot on YouTube, so I said I'm going to give it a try, so I can, because I've just find myself having to turn my volume up once I record something, having to turn my volume up pretty loud when I want to hear once I finish, and I want to start editing and things of that nature, I find myself having to turn my volume up. So now, hopefully, everything is going to work itself out and I won't have to do that anymore. And everyone will be able to hear me without having to turn their volume up. You are, if you have like the, because as you can see, it comes with this. So, you know, no phone takes these now with the newer phones. So I did buy the, for my iPhone, I did buy the certified Apple gadget that I would be able to hook this piece up, so I will be able to work it, because you know you got to put one on this end and then one will go into your phone. But most phones don't, a lot of the phones now don't have this particular one. This is the 3.5 millimeters. So a lot of them don't have this now. So it's like you're gonna find yourself not being able to use it. So I'm letting you know that you will have to get the adapter so you will be able to. And I like this particular kind. You can get all kinds, but I like this one because I will be able to hook this up to like one end of my phone. And then once you hook it up, you don't have another part to your phone. So now your phone won't be able to charge also. I want my phone to be able, so if I needed to charge it, I don't have to take this out. This can still be plugged in, because I also have the port here where I will be able to charge that if I need be. And I have the 3.5 plug, so I can be able to, bam, voila, plug that in. So I'm all set to go. So you are going to need an adapter if your phone or camera, iPad, if it doesn't have one of the 3.5, if they don't have the 3.5 plug, you are going to need the adapter to be able to use it, because this is how you're going to be able to hear. So you would be able to hear it as well. So just wanted to give you the heads up, but I wanted to stop on by to let you know to definitely take advantage of it. It comes with everything you need but the adapter. And you might not need the adapter. Your camera, because now some cameras do already have it, so you can be able to plug this in. So this is just, I'm going to be using it. When you don't want to use it on your camera, you also want to use it on your iPhone. That's why I got the adapter. So if you are going to use it for your iPhone, you are going to need that. So that's for the iPhone, and I will put that information in so you will know about the adapter, all of that information. But again, it's the brand is Movo, MOVO, and you know, creators want it. The creators are interested in this. They love to have this. This is a very popular brand, very popular gadget to add to your vlogging and podcasting and filmmaking, etc. And it is the VXR 10 universal. It's your universal microphone, and it says it right down here for your phone, iPad, laptop, and your different forms of camera. So it's right there on the box, because it is, because like I said, it is universal. So definitely give it a try and let me know how you like it, and I will definitely let you know how I like it as well.
Please like and share, and you can find the Amazon links for the microphone and the adapter in the description. Thank you.